Your NearHub board is designed for seamless collaboration. But over time, performance can slow down, or you might need to prepare it for a new owner. That's when a factory reset becomes the most effective solution. Before you begin, a factory reset will permanently erase all personal data from your board. Please back up anything important now. The steps differ between our S Series Android and S Pro Series Windows. First, identify your device's home screen. For S Series Android, open the Settings app from your NearHub launcher or app drawer. Scroll and tap on System. Then select Reset Options. The board will restart and reset. This may take several minutes. For S Pro Series Windows, click the Start button, then open Settings. Click on System. From the left menu, choose Recovery. Then on the right, click Reset PC. The board will restart and reset. This may take several minutes.